Welcome to the doTERRA podcast. I'm Dr. Brannick Riggs, Vice President of Essential Oil Education, and today we're going to explore a plant you've probably heard a lot about lately, rosemary. It's showing up in viral videos, hair care routines, even brain health discussions, but as a physician and integrative practitioner, I want to show you what the science says, why it matters to your health, and how rosemary fits into the bigger picture of daily wellness, especially when used alongside the right nutrients and foundational habits. Rosemary is so much more than a cooking herb. It contains powerful constituents like 1,8-cineol and camphor. That's why rosemary has become such a trusted ally. We know from the research that blood flow and neurotransmitter activity are closely tied to cognitive and follicle performance. And yet the real magic happens with nutrients that fuel those same systems, like the omega fatty acids in EO Mega and the methylated B vitamins in VMG+. Because the body doesn't work in isolated systems, it's all interconnected. Now, there are 3 effective ways to use rosemary essential oil, and each offers a unique benefit. So aromatically, you can diffuse 2 to 3 drops during studying. I often pair it with a citrus oil or frankincense to balance the energizing aroma. Topically, you might add 1 to 2 drops to your shampoo or make a simple scalp serum with fractionated coconut oil. Rosemary is often used for promoting a healthy scalp environment, which is essential for hair growth. And internally, you could use 1 drop in a veggie capsule. I would pair it with a capsule of EO Mega+. So you're supporting brain health from multiple directions: oils, omegas, and antioxidant support. Now, here are 2 of my favorite ways to introduce rosemary into daily life. 1, an herbal hairspray. You can mix 1 cup of distilled water, 2 drops of rosemary, and 1 drop of lavender in a glass spray bottle. Mist onto your scalp or hair roots morning and night. A post-workout bath soak. You can combine 1 teaspoon of Epsom salts. Now, I know that's not much, but we're using the Epsom salts as an emulsifier to help the oil go into the water. If you want more of a musculoskeletal support, you could use 1 to 2 cups of those Epsom salts. Then you add 2 drops of rosemary and 1 drop of frankincense. Both are simple ways to turn rosemary from a concept into a habit. Now, let's talk purity and potency. doTERRA sources rosemary from Spain and Morocco, where the plants are harvested at peak bloom and then steam distilled to preserve their full phytochemical profile. Now, what's the result of this? A high concentration of 1,8-cineol, that compound we talked about earlier that's consistent chemistry you can rely on, whether you're diffusing, applying, or ingesting the oil. And of course, it is CPTG, Certified Pure Tested Grade. That means rigorous third-party testing every batch, every time. That's why we feel confident teaching internal use. The quality and consistency meets the clinical standards that I need. Now, here's where I want to zoom out for a moment. Essential oils are just not magic. They're powerful tools, but really to work optimally, they require the right environment. Remember, we also need those nutrients. So when you pair rosemary with foundational supplements like VMG+, EO Mega+, and PB Restore, you're supporting detox enzymes and brain pathways with key nutrients. You're regulating inflammatory signals with omega-3s, and you're fueling your gut microbiome, which plays a role in hormone signaling and nutrient absorption. You've now created a system in which rosemary doesn't just smell great, it becomes part of your clinical strategy. Now, if you're excited about rosemary, like I am, share it with someone who needs it. You might consider 5 drops of rosemary, 3 drops of frankincense, 2 drops of peppermint. Top off the rest with fractionated coconut oil. This is great for students heading back to school, great for professionals like myself, or anyone over 40. Don't just gift the oil, though. Make sure you gift the habit and teach them why this can be a daily oil for them. So to recap, it works best when used aromatically, topically, or internally with consistency. And it's most effective when layered with nutritional cofactors like those found in our foundational supplements. And its purity, from sourcing to science, is what makes doTERRA's version different. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to go deeper, explore the science behind rosemary on our blog, or try it for yourself alongside your VMG and EO Mega Plus. Until next time, be well, stay curious, and keep supporting your body the way it was designed to function.